morning everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. Today we are going to make a Burmese traditional breakfast which is called Mohinga. First of all, we heated the oil in the pan, and while it's getting hot, we're going to put a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I chopped garlic, ginger, onions and lemongrass. First of all, I put garlic and ginger into the pan. Then I'm going to put lemongrass. Then I'll put onion. Stir it together. When the mixture has turned into golden brown color, I'll put 2 tins of tuna. Empty the water into a big pan because I want to use this water to make a soup later. And then I will add tuna into the mixture. And stir them together. And add some fish sauce. And add a teaspoon of chili powder. And then stirring and cook for another 10 minutes. After finished frying tuna, now I am going to blend 2 tins of chickpeas into a smooth paste. Now add the blended chickpeas into a pan. Add some hot water into the blender to rinse and add into the pan. Then turn on the heat for medium heat. Then put the lid back on again and cook till simmering. While I am cooking the chickpeas, I'm going to boil full kettle of water, which I will add to the chickpea later. When the chickpeas have boiled, we are going to add fried tuna and hot water from the kettle. Then stir and cook for another 10 more minutes. Don't forget to put the lid back on to the pan. While I am waiting for the soup, I'm going to peel 7 shallots. Next, add the shallots into the soup. I put some fish sauce. Then I'll put some chicken stock. Then I put some more hot water if needed. Put the lid back on again and cook until the shallots are getting soft. Then I boil some more water to boil the eggs. I put 4 eggs into a small pan and add boiled water into the pan. The eggs should be covered into the boiling water. Turn on the heat and boil for 7 minutes. Now I am going to add some rice flour, or you can use cornstarch if you want. I am going to put 1.5 tablespoons into a small bowl. Then add some cold water and stir a bit. Then add it into the soup. And stir. And put the lid back on and cook for 5 more minutes. Now the eggs are cooled down as I left them in the cold water, so I can peel them. I chop 2 eggs and put into the soup. I keep 2 eggs for when I dish up later. Always remember to try the case. And add some fish sauce if you need it. Now I am going to boil water again to cook rice vermicelli. Put the rice vermicelli into the pan. Add the boiling hot water and then cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking vermicelli, then strain them with sieve and running cold water. Now I am going to dish up the mohinga. Put some vermicelli into a bowl as much as you want. Then I put some chopped coriander and add some chopped boiled green beans. Give the soup a stir and then add soup to the bowl. And I add some crispy onions at the top. And finally I put whole eggs. That's it, all done. Hope you enjoy the Burmese traditional breakfast mohinga. I'll leave the ingredients in the description box below. Please don't forget to share and subscribe and like. It really helped my video. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye for now.